Hello, in this video I want to show you a few tips on how to set up Motorola Moto E6i for elderly senior person. And to do this we'll need to open our system settings, now find accessibility, and I think it should be right here. Now there's actually most of the settings available right here for that, and we have the font size. Here I would recommend to set it as the largest. It will help a senior person to see the letters much easier. Then we have the display size, which is also recommended to set it as largest. And here just in a second you'll see that everything becomes much bigger and it's much easier to see. Next thing, you can activate or deactivate the dark mode, and it's a preference, so it will, in the dark mode you'll see that the phone becomes much darker, and for some people it might be also easier to see icons or letters on it. We also have magnification, and here you can magnify it with a triple tap. But okay, it works, but it's kind of not working at the same time, so I wouldn't recommend to enable it because sometimes it just doesn't work. And last options, which there's also remove animations. If you enable it, then all of the animations from interface should be gone, and this will help you to reduce motion sickness while using this phone. Now the last settings I would like to show you, which you should disable, is to enter its system. And here in the gestures you can deactivate all of the options, as sometimes by accident you can open something, and this senior person might get confused when doing that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.